Welcome to Anogu.
Most AI today is a rented utility, dependent on the cloud, gated by subscriptions and powered by data mining. Anogu is the counterproof. It is a neural operating system for your pocket, built from the silicon up to give you total technological autonomy. At the heart of the app is the Loom Engine, a custom-built, bit-deterministic neural virtual machine. By bypassing heavy GPU pipelines for our FastTalk Protocol, we've achieved desktop-grade AI performance on standard mobile hardware. That means zero latency and over 5 tokens per second, running entirely on your CPU. No internet, no API keys, no tracking. Your intelligence stays where it belongs with you. This isn't just a chatbot. It's a foundational kernel for local autonomy.